Go. Banana phone.
Dude, I'm telling you, Bulbasaur came first.
I don't think so. Pterodactyl.
No, man, he was first. Professor Oak said he was first. He's got to be first.
No, no.
Professor Oak
Banana
is a smart
phone.
guy.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Hello? Hello?
Banana phone.
I know. Hello?
Samuel Johnson and Mr. Hatcher. Computer no work. I just buy. I no understand. Help!
Monkey Man, please use sentences.
Salutations, Samuel Johnson and Mr. Hatcher. I have just procured a new computer and I cannot, for the life of me, initiate the startup process.
Dear God, man, we're on our way. Quickly, Samuel Johnson, to the Hatchmobile.
Mr. Hatcher, we don't have a Hatchmobile!
Oh, right. Let's go!
Ha! Jetpacks! Invisible jetpacks!
Ha ha! Walmart, 10% off.
Nice!
Nice.
Yeah! Well, looks like we're here.
You really think so?
Of course we are. Are you blind, you slag?
Dude, just chill, alright?
Oh!
So, what seems to be the problem?
Computer no work!
Well, that narrows it down. Samuel.
Now this is a tasty bagel!
What?
Samuel Johnson, focus!
I'm sorry, Mr. Hatcher. I'm just sick and tired of these donut dunking apes and their donut dunking computers!
It's okay, Monkey Man. See? That's what we're here for. He just likes to yell sometimes.
Ah! I see your problem right there!
Aha! You don't have it plugged in.
Victory! I'll just yell "ah" again. Oops.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Ah!
I forgot about that.
Let's see!
That's definitely a blooper right there.
Which is me, right?
I say that.
screaming at
me again?
No, just go ah.
You say that?
Ah. Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I say I see your problem right there.
Well, what do I do?
Why is there banana here?
Okay, go ahead. It started.
I have no idea what my lines are. What's the script?
Go ahead. You're doing it in front of your body. No, go again.
Oh, God! Okay.
All right.
Good stuff.
Good times.
That's fun.
Let's cut.